Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Haryana polls, who is Kavita Dalal, WWE wrestler aka Lady Khali Aap has fielded against Vinesh Phogat. News 18, Kavita won a gold medal in weightlifting at the 12th Asian Games in 2016. She later joined the great Khali's Continental wrestling entertainment and entered professional wrestling. All eyes are set on Haryanas Julana Assembly constituency as the state gears up for its assembly elections. The electoral contest in Julana has become interesting as the Aam Aadmi Party has now pitted WWE star wrestler Kavita Dalal against Congress Vinesh Phogat from this key seat. Olympian Vinesh Phogat, who missed the gold in the Paris Olympics, was earlier fielded by Congress from Julana as soon as she joined the party. With Kavita Dalal stepping into the electoral fray, Julana is set to witness a fight between two star wrestlers in this pole battle. Kavita, who joined Aam Aadmi Party in 2022, is a resident of Malvi village of Julana. She is popularly known as Lady Khali. Kavita had won a gold medal in weightlifting in the 12th Asian Games in 2016. Following this, she joined the great Khali's Continental wrestling entertainment and entered professional wrestling. She captured the headlines for wrestling in a salwar kurti. After her stint in the WWE ring, Kavita joined the Aam Aadmi Party and is now pitted against Vinesh Phogat. Wrestler-turned-politician Vinesh Phogat, who joined Congress recently, claims that she is fighting for the rights of all athletes. The Bharatiya Janata Party has fielded Captain Yogesh Bairagi from this seat. Captain Bairagi is the vice president of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, BJYM, and the co-convener of BJP Sports Cell Haryana. He claimed that he has stepped into politics because he wants to remove unemployment in his area. The 35-year-old youth leader has earlier served as a pilot for Air India. Notably, the BJP has never won the Julana Assembly seat. The Jannayak Janta Party JJP has chosen its current MLA Amarjit Singh Dhanda as its candidate from Julana. Voting will be held for all 90 assembly seats in Haryana on October 5. The counting of votes is slated on October 8.